breaking news coming in now. Home Minister Rajnath Singh is expected to make a statement in both houses. He is expected to speak about the Udhampur terror attack today. This is what we are being told, that Rajnath Singh will be making a statement very shortly as Parliament resumes. And the big question, of course, whether or not the opposition will continue to disrupt the House or in fact allow the Home Minister to make a statement at a time when India has grappled with tragedy. Aditi is with us for more on this. Now, Aditi, we understand that Rajnath Singh is likely to make a statement in both the houses today. This is about the Udhampur terror attack, but it's going to be really crucial to see what stand the opposition is going to take, whether or not they're going to allow the House to function at this time when India is really grappling with this tragedy and that of the train accidents as well.
In fact, one thing is very clear as far as the government is concerned. They are saying that this is an issue which is regarding the national security, and the opposition should not get in all their political agendas at this point of time. It is an issue which is which has been being talked about a lot, whether it is about the relations between India and Pakistan or the growing attacks by Pakistani terrorists over the Jammu and Kashmir region. In fact, just right now, the Home Secretary has arrived in the Parliament. He is going to give an entire brief to Home Minister Rajnath Singh, post which around 12 noon is the time that we are expecting the Home Minister first to make a statement in the Lok Sabha, and then he will be making a statement in the Rajya Sabha. The government, on asking whether or not they will be able to make a statement, have said it very categorically that the opposition at this point of time should understand that this is not a political issue. This is an issue which is about the national security of the country. This is an issue which can go ahead and mend the ties between India and Pakistan.
गृह मंत्री सदन में वक्तव्य देंगे। उन्होंने मुझे बताया दोनों सदनों में वो वक्तव्य देना चाहते, नोटिस भी दे दिया मेरे ख्याल से, और क्वेश्चन आवर के बाद उनका वक्तव्य होगा। कारण क्या है, ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट घटना है। पाकिस्तानी आतंकवादी को सीधा पकड़ना, और उन्होंने कैमरा के सामने, दुनिया के सामने उन्होंने स्वीकार किया है वो यहाँ लोगों को मारने के लिए आया है। एक मिशन के अंतर्गत वो यहाँ आया है, उनको भेजा गया है, ऐसा उन्होंने स्पष्ट रूप में कह दिया। और ये इसलिए महत्वपूर्ण है, एक दिन के पहले पाकिस्तान का एक अधिकारी ने भी कंफर्म किया वहाँ टेररिस्ट कैंप चल रहे, वो लोग प्रोत्साहन दे रहे। इसलिए तथ्य पूरा दुनिया के सामने रखना चाहिए, और पाकिस्तान जिस तरह का आतंकवादी गतिविधियों को प्रोत्साहन कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में इंटरनेशनल पब्लिक ओपिनियन भी क्रिएट करना चाहिए, ऐसा मेरा मत है। मगर जहाँ तक सरकार का सवाल है, सरकार सदन को विश्वास में लेंगे, सदन को बता देंगे क्या हुआ, उन्होंने क्या वक्तव्य दिया वगैरह, डिटेल्स वगैरह गृह मंत्री सदन को बताएंगे आज।